Hi, I'm Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and welcome to another wonderful episode of Moments of Joy. And today, two for one for you.
A two for one?
Yep, we got quite the deal for you today. Typically, we usually go through one tip or trick during Moments of Joy, but we couldn't resist sharing these two with you today.
Now, with it being wave season in the beginning of the year, you're hopefully getting a bunch of inquiries, payment authorizations, proposal approvals. It can be hard to keep track. Except we have a little feature in TravelJoy that makes it easy to stay on top of all of your client notifications.
Yep, you've probably seen it in the top right hand corner of your TravelJoy account. It's that little bell, and that bell is your key to getting on top of all of your notifications as they come in. All right, so if you are looking at your TravelJoy dashboard at the top right hand corner of your screen, you've probably seen this little bell here. This is your notifications tab. If you click on it, you're going to see updates on everything from authorized payments to messages received from clients, all in one place. If you just want to view whatever that message says or that payment authorization, just go ahead and click on it and it will take you to that trip.
Caitlin, that is so helpful, especially to stay on top of all of those client actions and notifications coming in. But didn't you say a two for one?
You're right, Matt. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. The second tip that we have for you today has to do with how your dashboard is laid out. Now, if you want a little bit more customization when it comes to your dashboard columns, like you can see right here, you do have the ability to change these a bit. You can do so by heading to this gear icon, and you can choose which columns you want to show and which ones you want to hide simply by checking on their checkbox. It'll update accordingly, and then your dashboard is exactly how you want it moving forward.
Thank you, Caitlin. This is one of the exciting things about Moments of Joy. It's little features everyone might have missed along the way. I'll tell you, it's been a minute since I have known about the customized column feature.
It's okay. These things happen. When we're adding so much every day to the platform, these little things can sometimes go unnoticed. So that's why we're here, and that's why we want to bring these tips and tricks to you.
And we will be back again next week with another episode of Moments of Joy to help you get the most out of Travel Joy. Until then, we'll see ya.
Bye, everybody.